Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install MEmuPlay software. So let's get started. For this, you require a web browser. In the address bar, you need to enter MEmuPlay download and press enter. You'll get this first link, memuplay.com. Okay, over here, you'll get to see the download button. You need to click on this. If you get this add pop-up, click on close. This will start the download of the setup file. So once the download is complete, you need to click on open. I will minimize the web browser. If you get a pop-up, select yes. Make sure you have checked this. If you click over here in customize, you will get options to change the default installation directory. We'll go with the default settings and click on quick install. Click on accept. You can reject this as we don't need this third-party software, 360 total security. Click on reject. You don't want Opera to get installed, click on reject. So now it is going to download the required setup files and install on this Windows machine. You'll get to see this launch now button. You can click on this launch now. You can look over here, there are two desktop icons created. One is Memu and this is the multi-memu. Okay, let's make this full screen. So this is the home screen. As you can see, there are a lot of ads as the software is free. Let me skip this. So this is the home screen. Okay, over here you can see the RAM utilization. You get speed up, export file, change wallpaper options, lot of games to select. It's an advertisement. Okay, Play Store you can access. Okay, let's head back to the home screen. Now on the right hand side you get full screen, keyboard mapping, APK installation. If you have an APK file, you can install it from here. And start multi-menu, volume up, volume down. Okay, fake GPS, then shared folder, and over here it's the settings. For more, if you click on this, you can change the rotation, synchronizer. You get rotation, edit toolbar, then options recorder. You can shake, you can screenshot, click on menu to get different options. Then over here it's a reboot Android. If you want to restart your Android emulator, then you can also do a screen recording. Okay, so you can basically download the games and play on this Android emulator. Okay, over here there are different options to sign in. You can log in with your Google account. There's one more option for email. If you click this, it's a Windows settings. Okay, if you click on the settings menu, you can also check the system information. Let me check. Click on the settings. Over here you can access the settings. You can change the engine, the display configurations, disk profile. Okay, then network settings, then device appearance. Okay, preferences and shortcuts. So I'll close this. And second one is the multi memu. If you select this, you'll get to select the Android device. Okay, it's an instance which I've created. If you click on new, you can create a new instance and you can select the Android version you want for that device and you can proceed. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.